Hey, you've probably heard the term trigger leads, and I have a great update for you. A bill was passed, signed by the president, passed through Congress at the end of the week last week, that will now make trigger leads a thing of the past. Unfortunately, it does not go into effect until March, so 6 months out from now. But you may be aware of this already, but currently and for the past 2 or 3 years, the credit bureaus sell the information of anyone who's had their credit pulled recently. So contact information, not social security and things like that. But what this leads to is that you probably are aware that every time someone applies for a mortgage, has their credit ran, they may get 50 to 100 phone calls and text over the next several days, all from lenders trying to take that loan, essentially to take the business. And so that's been a challenge because sometimes it's very confusing for a home buyer because I've heard some of the scripts that my clients have shared with me where they'll say, hey, Zenith has denied your loan, but we can help, things like that, to really try and pry that client away. So great news overall. So we've been, the industry's been pushing for this for years now. And it sounds like we're about 6 months away from that being a thing of the past, which is great news. I believe what I read is that once that passes, the only people that can call the client when a credit is pulled is either the current servicer, if they have a mortgage, and a lender who did their last mortgage, who closed their last transaction. So that should be great. Hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.